Hey everybody, and welcome to Polly's Crochet Creations. I'm Tori, your hostess. Today I am going to show you how to do the double crochet, the chain and the double crochet chaining and turning your work and stuff like that. I'm going to show you how to do that today. All of these videos are updated videos, and they're for newbie crocheters. I've been on YouTube for 5 years now, I think, and I do have 500, like almost 500 videos. I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet in a 3-weight yarn. I'm still going to use the 5mm crochet hook, even though it recommends what does it recommend? Oh yeah, it recommends a 5mm. Okay. They say that this is it's Pioneer Woman, and this was a gift from my dear friend Crystal from Bago de Crochet. This is coral stripes, and this is the colors that come in the coral stripes. And it's acrylic yarn. And like I said, I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet now. And I'm going to work from the outside of the ball so I can just wrap this up instead of working from the inside of the ball and having to stuff it all back in. So bear with me and I will get this done so we can get started on the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to undo some yarn here. It'll come. All right, so we're going to start off. First off, they say that it's like a 4-weight, I think it is. Can't remember. Oh no, this is a lightweight 3. You can see it right here. This is lightweight 3. So they do recommend that you use a 5mm crochet hook. That's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to do the slip knot. Okay. And there's your slip knot. So let's get started. Okay, I do like using the thicker yarn because the thicker yarn you can see better. So we're going to do a chain of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got 10 stitches, and then I have 2 stitches for my double crochet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. Okay, I'm going to skip the first stitch, I'm going to skip the second stitch, and I'm going to go into the third stitch. The loop on your hook does not count as a stitch. So you're just going to skip this one, and then you're going to yarn over and go into the third one. You're going to draw a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, and then you go yarn over and you go through 2 loops. And then you yarn over and you go through 2 more loops. That's 1 double crochet. Technically it's 2 because of the first. You go into your next stitch, which is, so you yarn over and you go into, not this one, but this one right here. You draw up your loop, you yarn over and you go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over, and in your next loop you're going to put your hook in, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. So your next stitch is right there. So you're going to yarn over and you're going to go in the next stitch, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in your next stitch, pull up your loop. You got 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, you're going to go through 2, and you're going to go through 2. So this one here is yarn over, put your hook in, pull up 1 loop. Then you yarn over, you go through 2 loops, you yarn over, and you go through 2 loops. So that's the pattern. So yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, come on, tot it up, there you go. Yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. Now again, with this stitch, you can chain 1, turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1. So I'm chaining 1 and turning my work. Some people, they do chain 3, they skip over the stitch and they go into the next. Me, I just chain 1 and then I yarn over. After chaining 1, I go in the first stitch, the very first stitch, and then I drop your loop, and then I go through 2, and then I go through 2. I yarn over, I go in the next stitch, I draw up a loop, and then I go through 2, and then I go through 2. So yarn over, go in 1, yarn over, go through your 2, and yarn over, go through your 2. Yarn over, go in 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. And yarn over, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, next stitch, draw up a loop, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, keep it in the screen, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and you got 2 loops, 1, 2. You got 2 loops left, so you yarn over, you go in the second last hook, or second last loop, draw up your loop, and then yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in the next stitch, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2. There is your double crochet row. Okay, hopefully this has given you enough to work with it. So we're going to do it one more time. So this time I'm going to turn my work and I'm going to chain 1. Then I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go back into that first stitch and I'm going to pull up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up your loop, that's 1, yarn over, do 2, and yarn over, do 2. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, that's 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and I'm almost done. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, and you got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. All right. Yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go in, second last stitch, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over in the very last stitch. Make sure you get the double, make sure you get the V, draw up your loop, you got 3 loops on your hook, then you yarn over, you go through 2, and you yarn over, go through 2. There is your double crochet rounds. That is how I do them, and I hope this video is very helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So, again, if you find something on YouTube that you like to do or are interested in doing, please, please, please don't quit, because eventually it'll be like a light bulb goes off in your head and you'll be like, oh, wow, that's how you do it. You all, I forgot to tell you, the subscribe button's down here. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. Hit the bell icon and hit all on the bell icon. You'll be notified of more videos to come. If you like the video, there's a like button just down here. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. It tells YouTube that what I'm doing and what I'm creating is really awesome, and they will recommend my videos. In each of my videos, I do have PayPal if somebody wants to donate to the channel. You don't have to, but anything that is donated to the channel will go back into the channel for purchasing yarn, showing new stuff, and helping the channel to grow. So, you all have a great day, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. You guessed it, you know it, it's coming. Keep on hooking, everybody. Keep on hooking. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.